My name is Seved, and I'm coming to you live from the Chachamunda, floating in space or buzzing around a planet near you. This week's topic, Earth, a planet in flux. From where I stand, I can see the Earth has got problems. Problem number one, climate change, undeniable. Solution, stop squabbling and do something, do something, do something. Don't wait for your leaders to fix things. They seem to have forgotten how to listen and how to lead. The good ones are bogged down in committees and blocked by special interest. The bad ones are filling their pockets with your money, and they just don't care. It's up to you as an individual, as a community, as a business person or a corporation to make well-informed daily decisions to embrace positive concepts such as profitability through sustainability. Be a visionary. Be willing to make a little less now to save your planet and profits for future generations. If you don't act now, I know plenty of other life forms just dying to get their feelers on your planet.